Do you want to run Android TV on your computer by using USB pen drive only? Then you are in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you run Android TV on your computer by using USB pen drive. That's why we need first one thing, that is ISO file, which is Android 9 version, you can see. And I will give this link in the description below. You can check this from here. And if you want to download this, then click on download anywhere. And this file will be downloaded, started automatically, but I don't want to download it again because I have downloaded it first. So download this first. And one thing we need also, the Rufus. You can download it from here. This is the official website. And okay, now open our Rufus. Okay, I have already opened this, that's why it will not open again. So in this Rufus, we have to put our ISO file here, and also plug your USB pen drive. You can see 32 GB pen drive is mine. So we have to put our ISO file there. Just you can also drag this from here and here. Also you can select this from here. Now I'm going to start this button. Click OK. Yes. Just yes. And it will start deleting partitions, and after that it will cooking the file in UZ file. Okay, now you can see our ISO file is burned out here, and our bootable pen drive is ready, but we are not done yet because we have to do more work. You can see the data 4 GB here. We have to unzip here because this file is very important, and you have to use some application which will be WinRAR or 7-zip. I'm using WinRAR for extract here. Just extract here. Well, it will take a little bit time, so we have to wait for it. Now we are successfully extract our file here. And this file is very important to have this work. Now we have to restart our computer and select this pen drive as a bootable pen drive. So let's restart our computer. So here you can see our Android TV is ready, and let's click on enter here. Now you can select your language. I will go for the default English. Now it's showing select your Wi-Fi network, but I will go for skip right now. Okay, choose name for your Nexus player. I'll go for the Android TV, but you can set your custom name also, but I will go for the default one. Now you can see our Play Store here. Now our Wi-Fi is connected and we can use our device. So now you can use the YouTube also, and also other apps. You can use this as an Android TV. So guys, I hope you will like this video. Do like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much.